cookies. Let's see here. Preheat the oven. Aluminum. Any pans in here? No, we're good. Alright. Now let's actually make this, shall we? Oh, okay. I just got it on my hand. Yippee. Ooh. Okay. I need to soften the butter. I need a plate. Got the plates. Ooh, that was nice. Ooh, that was cold. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, it's on me. Shut up. Gosh, this might have been a terrible idea. What else do I need? A teaspoon? Tablespoon. What's the difference? What? Tablespoon. Oh, why is it greasy? Probably just vegetable oil. Okay. It's not very soft. Oh. Butter. Ooh, how do I open this? There we go. Ooh. The egg just got everywhere. Thankfully only in the bowl though, so we're good. We're doing fine. Everything's fine. Everything's just peachy. I love my life. Am I supposed to mix some of the snickerdoodleness into the batter? Soften butter, roll dough balls, drop the cinnamon sugar. Oh, we're supposed to roll it? Oh, I never do that. Oh, whoopsies. Oh, why does it smell like that? Look how funky these smell. Oh, that doesn't smell like that. I'm gonna have to do so much editing. Oh my god. Oh, my hand hurts. Oh, I'm gonna get my scissors. I have acquired scissors. I hate cold weather. Except for when it gives us snow days, but it hasn't given us a single freaking snow day, and I'm gonna crash out. Oh yeah, we're looking good so far. Look at that. Yes, that's how it's supposed to look. Just get better at baking. And I say that as I'm using cookie mix, ooh, and not actual raw ingredients because that's too much money. Yippee! Oh, it probably did not mix good. Oh, we need pans. Pans? Oh, no. Aha! Oh, it's quite loud. Tin foil. Work with me. Story time. So I love baking, if you couldn't tell. And one time, since I used tinfoil to lay on the Oh gosh, okay. I used tin foil on the pan, and so one time I was taking it out, and the corners were out. The inside of my elbow got a little crispy. Well, I shouldn't use that. The inside of my elbow kind of hurt after that. Crispy is wild. I'm not even mixing anymore. Gosh, what am I doing? What time is it? 4:30. Yippee. Where's our... Okay. Well, it's not that sticky, right? Yeah, it said to like roll it into balls and stuff. So yeah, I can do this. I can do this. I'm just gonna put it on this plate that I had from the butter. And we're gonna roll it in it. I'm so smart. Not really, because I had not done this prior. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna make a mess of my hands. Oh, but it's worth it. Content. How do I be funny? How do I make content? It's giving donuts. Like, these look like donuts. Especially, oh my god, they really do, though. They look like powdered donuts? I don't know if they look like powdered. I don't know. But look at that. Anyways, how are y'all doing? I'm gonna have to figure out what to call you guys because this is going on Lux and not Tiger Lily. So tigers wouldn't work. And Lux is just, I feel like I could not call you guys something related to Lux. So ideas would be great. That'd be nice. Thank you. But I am just not entertaining. Just you wait. The entertainment you will get from me in future videos is me screaming and being scared because I'm probably gonna do... Hopefully I can figure out how to record my screen so I can do Phasmophobia by myself. Yippee. And probably Roblox scary games because, you know, easy, free. Why not? This is taking a lot longer than I expected it to. I might need another pan, but that's fine. I usually use 2 pans anyways. I'm just so good at making cookies that I just make so much cookies. And totally not the same amount every time because I use that. Oh! The oven is ready. But the cookies are not ready to enter the oven. Could I be more unfunny? This is not gonna be appealing content to people. If people watch the first 30 seconds and realize, ew, she's unfunny and a minor, and then just leave. I don't want to get another. I'm gonna have. There's so much stuff left in here. I'm gonna have to get another one. Hold on, let me show you. Roll. Look how much, dude. I'm getting another one. Oh my god, my hands are covered in stuff. Oh, it's so pretty outside. The clouds look like cotton candy. Ooh. Oh gosh, where's the other freaking, is it in here? Ooh. No, where's the other pan? Where's my pan? Someone has taken my pan. How the heckity am I supposed to make another tray then? Uh-oh. I have to switch to the big pan. I think I can use the big pan. What was that? Oh wait, no, there's my pan. My pan! My pan! Oh yes, my pan. My beautiful pan. Alright. If I fill this pan up and I still have so much batter left, I'm eating it. It's in my stomach. I mean, it's gonna be in my stomach one way or another. Anyways, back to getting my hands dirty. For all you lovely people and for my family to enjoy this awful content, and for my family to enjoy cookies. Yippee. And also, I need to wash my hands again. My donuts are done. Whoa. Totally donuts. Totally. Time to put them in. How long do they need to be put in for? Panicking. Panic. Everyone panic. But don't panic, because that would be bad. No, don't do that. Don't panic. But I just told you to panic. Why aren't you panicking? My goodness. You guys are bad listeners. Alright. Where are the oven mitts? The oven mitts have been taken from me. You guys go. Eat this in then. Thanks. Oh, I found one. Welcome to the day in the life of the oldest of 4 siblings. Today, we will be finding the other oven mitt because people just leave stuff. Oh, I found it. We're good. Oh no! They're balls instead of little like mushrooms. They're moving around. Oh no! I messed everything up. I mess everything up. Oh no! They're trying to escape. They're trying to merge. They're looking for lovers. We did it! Mission successful! Yippee! Now we wait. Ugh. Oh, it's no longer flat balls. We're good. Ooh. Heat. Success! Yippee! Ah, yes. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. It's so delicious.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Okay. These look really good, actually. No, but why these look like they caved in?